Game na, committee. Yan, dito
Mas
na lang.
kita nila dito.
Paano makikita yung
Okay,
score ng
malapit.
kalaban?
Ha? I-announce sana eh. Si Robin mo yung mag-announce.
Parang di kita.
Alin?
Sabay.
Eh, kapila sila. Tapos dito.
Hello. Aban.
Check, check. Okay, yung matitira lang sa team, yung tatlong player, mag-start na tayo. 3 players from Mami, 3 players from Cyan. Okay, again, 3 players lang ang matitira sa court. Yung mga subs, punta muna sa benches. Subs, punta muna dun sa other side ng court. Hindi, para lang makita yung 3.
Pero pwede kumabang pag maglalaro.
Okay, punta muna sa gitna yung 3. Punta muna sa referee yung 3. Wala kang bolang number siya. Wala po. Game na, game na. Sige na, 3. Yellow. Tabi tayo. Yellow, tabi. Sayan, 4 pa rin kayo. 3 lang, 3 players lang sa loob.
Ay, sorry.
Okay. Ellie, timer. Pero may official timer tayo dito. Ay, hindi po. Isa. 7 po yung...
Dapat yung maliit na.
Okay, 7 yung kinaksis ka nila.
Isa maliit.
Okay.
Kasi pang girls ang size 6.
Okay, 3 na. 3 na, okay. Tapos 3 tayo dito sa Mami. Scorers, okay na? Scorers, okay? Okay, prepare players. So pipito na yung referee. 7 minutes. Okay?
I-check din.
Sige lang sa kanila. Okay, 7 minutes. Bakit apat kayo dyan? Hindi, yung yellow, okay. Alright, 7 minutes starts now.
Score doon. Ano si score ba doon?
Labas! Bal! Labas!
Stepping.
Labas! Labas!
Let's. 3. Wala pumasok.
consecutive out. Nice.
Watch the line. Watch the line, watch the line. Watch the line, watch the line.
Wala lang yan.
Ellie, patingin ang score. Score natin, 13. 13 na ang Sayan, 28 na ang Mami. 28 Mami, leading Mami.
Okay, okay. Yeah, 10 minutes pa. Last 4 minutes. Sabi ko.
Last 4 minutes. Leading ang Mami.
Ito ba yun?
39-17 in favor of Mami.
Reminder, pwede kayo mag-sub ha? Pwede kayo mag-sub. Score, 45. 45-21 in favor of Mami. Last 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Ellie score, 59-29 in favor of Mami. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes, lamang pa rin ang Mami. Okay, yung mahabol ang Sayan. Time out, time out, time out. Time out, 1 minute 47 seconds. Okay, clear, clear. Okay, 3 players lang. Timer starts now. 1 minute 45 seconds. The score is 63-32 in favor of Mami.
33 na.
Last 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Isa pa.
Last 1 minute Again, pwede kayo mag-sub ng players.
One.
40 seconds. The score is score 71-43 in favor of Mami. Habol Sayan.
44.
Last 25 seconds. Ten seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game ball. Score for the first half, 75 and 49 in favor of Mami. Okay, 1 minute break. And then second half will resume.
Yung second half, tuloy-tuloy na.
Yeah, change court tayo, change court. Second half, change court. So Mami on okay, start tayo in 30 seconds. Okay, second three, pa-prepare na second three. Again, next game natin is second game natin, Mami versus Yellow. Okay, second half. Scorers ready? Memen, ano score? 39. Okay, may chance pa umabol Sayan. Okay, second half. Okay, ready, Sayan, ready, 3 players. Wait lang. Okay, Sayan, ready? 3 players lang. Okay, Mami, ready? Right, 7 minutes starts now. Okay, again, Sayan, pwede pa humabol. Time out. Committee, time out. 6 minutes. Wait lang, inaayos lang yung ano natin. Okay, sorry, committee timeout. Alright, resume tayo. Last 6 minutes. Timer starts now. Score. Memen, score. 66, Cyan. 104, team ng Mami. Timeout. 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Committee timeout. Timeout. Naka-stop time na. 5 minutes and 5 seconds, okay? Timer starts. Okay na, Cyan? Timer starts now. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Our score is 105 versus 71 in favor of Mami. Again, pwede kayo mag-sub, ha? Pwede kayo mag-sub. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Score is 119 and 92. Humahabol ang Cyan. 119 and 92 in favor of Mami. Time is 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 119-94. Pwede kayo mag-sub, ha? Last 3 minutes. Score is 120 and 97. Humahabol Mami. Score is 126 versus 130. 109 versus 127. In favor of Mami pa rin. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Reminder, pwede kayo mag-sub. Score is 149, 123. 1 minute, last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Let's go! Reminder, pwede kayo mag-sub. Last 2 minutes, 1 minute, 20 seconds. Umahabol ang Sayang. 152 and 129 in favor of Mami. Last 1 minute. Habol, habol. Last 50 seconds. Our score is 168 and 134. Nasa 30, 26 na lang lamang. Thirty seconds. 30 seconds. 3 points na, 3 points. Last 20 seconds. Score is 165 and 142 in favor of Mami. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game ball. Scorers, punta sa akin, scorers. Next game natin, Mami versus Team Yellow. Game will start at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock na pala. 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Ilang minutes? 10 minutes na.
Minute break tayo. Eto, pinatali pa yung mga scores. Pag may discrepancy tayo dun sa